Jim FM. kwani makuche miura mi kwani mawoti eniwo na semya simunya menyi na pomia mi wo wi die wuye mami wuye mami mi wura ni majin kwaye
Baby, I will be a mamma fine cheer, Cassia, Emma on Mamma Quabam Regiment. So, from ya, Owusu Ansah, and a Ukiada, Unyameti as a phono, Ayama. Benombiano, as I say, ye may energy day, na yes, supper ya home, near far emo and the pa and so in I am a minister before what telephone was through Niano Wadam for being Wakachrenes, Owusu Ansah, and Niano Maya Bettina Fidia, so I yet show Yamiasam. What name my coach Mura? You are my shield, you are my fortress. Baby, I will be an obetman and may I summon an pay. My brain, I when you met us a fully animal nigh the acid and the nasty and the tron the income for any page and the croye at the bar or no yametias a fully enemy. Or no, the na cochem. No, rather, the na cochem. Jordan, I know shall see any king kind and near my hodo me, no. Free a jum at your watch here a year in them. wode wadom wasa se wode Yakob ajapade asane aba wode woman enfom so ache wakata wono bone nyina so watwe wanibre enyina wadane efre wabufu ahihie enumo yen enkwagye nyankopon mayen sane na yemra na entwa wo ho na twa obu a efuye no etowo wo yem wo wira be ho atia yen akosida ana obetwa wabufuo mu akọ awonto atoaso a edisuo mu ana wurinsane emma yen enkwa wurinsane emma yen enkwa wurinsane emma yen enkwa na wo man eni enye wo ho ana wurinsane na wo man yen enkwa eho hia emma onipa bia nti Awurade won sane na won maye enkwa won sane na won maye enkwa
owunyi makochem nyame minyi
won sane Awurade won maye enkwa na
osande
won't you revive us? Rade mi hia enkwa bio ewo mabrabo ne masetene mo. Abrabo we se wo bo na wo ko na wo ba na wanhwe no amfa wabrabo na nsinsane ne so no anhunu se baby Awurade frɛ wo ginae no wo de gina ho ana se wa watiri ana se wapa ana se wafiri sa kwan no so ana won sa ma me nkwa. Won't you Lord revive me? Won't you Lord give me a new life?
On up demiti road. Sahana no yati tenara ne enyi tadunyi nasa wasem tum shemetin mamu hunde taso iwa mapa ne kujimi abrinyi nara
Erade mamenkwa I need life to survive. Bihiankwa. Mamenka Habakkuk dear enzon kanchro. Nana meka Hosea so dear. But ye di Habakkuk zuka. Erade matewonka ena mesru. Habakkuk timi ensa. Ijishemu ayemi no. Erade matewonka ena mesru o Erade kanya wadwuma no wo yemu ebriyimu kanya wo brayimu a ye wei kanya wo nwuma no e wo yemu ebriyimu dama wo nhunu. Oh Lord, I have heard the report of you, and I was afraid, oh Lord, revive your work in the midst of the years. Revive. Kanya wunyuma ewa wumemu. Kanya wunyuma. When me say Awurade de nipa bi ewura yemu enema bi ewo yemu. Nanso so ye kɔ ye ba ye da ye nyane ye kɔ ye ba ye adwuma. Etobre bi a ne se nyuma no sa hyew bono. Sa hyew bono a ewo yemu a kema pere ye no kware die. Ema ye do ne gina so. Ema me kon anke do me yere enkuto no na ewu de do me kunu nkoa no na ewu. Eti Habakkuk difo ne se Awurade kanya wunyuma ewo yemu. Awurade me ya dwumtuni me ya osofo me accountant, me a politician, me your hene, me your hima. But ofre wo frɛ me no. Ma bedru baabi ase wo awurade wan kanyan wonyume wo mi mu no a. If you don't, Lord, revive your work in me. Afenu ayenem musa no in the midst of the year, ya kosa no mi no edum. Ejuada me share the thousands of people on mobile Facebook. Thousands of people. Ne binso make confessions no openly. Me try me woma me kunu no edum. Me try me woma me yire no edum. Me try me woma me ma no eko. Eno na Habakkuk kan say, "Erade, oh Lord, I have heard your words and the report, but I'm afraid, misuro, because senior near me kono. So we rade wen kanya me a. So we rade wen kanya wunyuma ewo bi mu no a. If you don't revive me, that is a me nam way, wonso nam way. Bible said the end is we gina ho no. Onhwe yi. Se urade an kanyan ono ne do a ewoye mu a. There is a tendency. There is a tendency. There is a tendency say adie bi a wonye wadwene se wo be ye no be realize no na wo ye. Eti Habakkuk say urade kanyan wonyuma no ewoye mu no. Bi ho no ma wodi dia me mu. Biebi onuma wodi dua mi sunsun abraban kwantuo yi mu. But Rade say o kanya ho. E Rade say why etebusu ya ya kenkan sa niema we no mo ya kenkan a ne wankasa no what digest into bomodre bowura wa bra bomu na hwese. Se wodi wa wade sinse ne ani so a. Woni hukunu montamon komo. Ono oyere montamon komo. As a jano de oho anedum. Enye mfie dodo amaware o. But well to me say moda empa ba akoso. But the fire has been quenched off. Ewu. Wo hono oyira atenka bia ne hobio. Wo hono ukuna akono bia ne hobio. You don't have any desire. Anymore. Erunti ena Habakkuk tufono or kasano se rade kanya wo nyuma ewoye mu no bibi wo memua ese seme de ye dwuma ozo kan e bribe kura wompe o na wompe bribe, but because enyuma ni wusa no bribe na nse obi ankan kura na wa wo frefre. Now, because well, you say why ni jia, but nan can no pere ye no kwaridie. But the works they have gone down to so much so that why you bane kura na won kai so why you bane. What ba be duru baby kura na your friend apostasy. Owi nsa won kai. Wonum wi pa na sabra no kura na oton so ba. What bedru baby nkwantana baby a se urade ankanya ono ni nyuma. I'm not talking about crusade. I'm not talking about yatita apostles. Wo woni nyame. Wankasa woni nyame ntem. First no nanka no kurumba someone sa bompai. Ewo fie dia man kwada no. That fire has been quenched. Ewu. First no na wo odoma Ghana no. Ewu. It is gone. First no nanka ko faniema wo tua duty no. It is gone. First no nanka wo sa de bi da kwan ho a wo yifiri ho no. It is gone. First no nanka wo kwa sorry a wotum say ni gie bi some enthusiasm bi nanka ho. First wo ko program pass let's say wo ko programmer time bi aba spend your bomb pie. say dear. What baby is so content that we nana ya as a program crowd with me call. Back a first, no. Then Calba chain a mere my chain will be sa and no ben a radiman tour. Preaching ben I mean preachy. Say you mani wua. Say you mani wua. Sa think cutting in a mammy Joe Nako. Go for it at nef. And so why me drew baby I'll bet to be a cancer radi. Kanya wunyume wamimu. Kanya wunyuma. Kam kaneno na nyame ho adanse die. Wotena trotro mu a. Wonsi wa abra wonni adanse. But what about today? Where are the works of the Lord? Wobaji awurade di ye. Asopiti, hospitals, prisons. Hwaniema na nyame fa so ye. Where are the works of the years? Sa tenkano, sa opepano, ewa hinifa. Enti Habakkuk say, oh rade, kanyai, wunyuma, ewo mimono. Habakkuk chapter 3, the verse number 2. Etia, eyame ansanji chemu ayemi. Odifo Habakkuk say, erade kanyai wunyuma, erade kanyai wunyuma. How much about 3 o'clock when it here? And I took this scripture and I read it. I'm the man to my pambasi radime wa kanya wunyuma he womi mono in the midst of the years. And Canadian now de meyano kanya homura and my wunyuma ni ngu mimu and can now to be children how many times? And can now to me ya juma and can now fear see and can now kuno bana duanisho. Nanka yiribe bana nanka prepare niema. Where are those works? Where are they? I didn't know and said yes, I didn't know adwuma bio. Ankaneno. I'm talking about ankane. Nank ankaneno and niema bia na utime yade magana. Nanka Ghana education not to say. Nanka Ghana health not to say. Where is it today? Where is it? Ejirawa na say wu na say kofom ene ukuyada no pay eno na me bi so na nkanka na ukurukura afradwuma ba you are so happy na say the oba na obompa erade mema akoyi mafiesisi atete ene atepoi sa na ukika atete ni atep you use certain words kura no awukura no e onwanwa sende kura we use. Where are the works? Where are the works of the Lord in us? Ewe yemu. Ye fie sie. Ye mehimu sie. Ye mehimu atenkapa adwempa. Where are they? And no any nsemo ye bisa ye hona watwe na ye bisa se asesa enwuma no ewo henefa. Ewu anase ada. Eti Odifo Habakkuk say Awurade kanya Hausa ewo nyuma no ewo mimimu. Awurade kanya sa ewo nyuma no ewo mimimu. Ropai wa Facebook kachire Awurade kanya wo nyuma no.
Oni makuche.
Awurade kanya wo nyuma no.
Biura.
Mami Jo.
Inkwani mawodi.
Mami Jo.
Ene.
Mami Jo.
Papa.
Aso foforo. Aso foforo. Say Awurade ankanya ne nyuma no wo yemu a. Ya brabo be yesai. Ya sitina be yesai. Yane yankunu no mantem be yesai. Yane yanyire no mantem be yesai. From Monday and I make us my reading my head read the comments I'm for actually. A ma a confess ye. Me don a woo. And so many bear man that here. Men that here, me who so oba na mbuafu. E bi no tre in inbox. Me ne me kro, me hu no ada me buafu. Me enyuma no ose me ye as oba no. It is dead, it is gone. Wobi okura ka chem say ne life wa ankasa no wono ofili si wo wu awie no nam. Oyo kratiasia wawu. Where is your life? Mami Jo.
Papa medasi yedanya me so ase papa. Se ohwa bebia Habakkuk ekan ya Na just enwuma no nyame de rain mu na ojai to ho. Enti nani ba na ho so. Ena osa ebo mpa ya kira asafo Awurade se onkanyan saa enwuma na ewo ni mu no. Ye duru baabi a yebu ye ni egu enema bi so. Yenya ya ma ye refi. Trese ni ya keka koduro no ye refi niema bi a na ye na akane na ewe ye mu a esesenke ye to aso ye no ye de niema foforo abahihye mu ama ye refi na se ye me ni ba ye ho so na yesre Awurade de a Awurade de wo se ordinado mo ma yenya onsa angibiem ongibiem esese ye ne ye ho adwuma
kofa mo a
esese brebe ne ye ho adwuma enti na wo ye kristoni a ewunya bre eye akonchene twen Awurade enim na wo bom pa ye kanya adom na ewo mu no se ne de bia ebekoso aye adwuma anya sa wo tiase na nso wo
sama ye nkwa
wowu a wonnim se wowu
sama me nkwa
sabiem
asore no de me ko but me ankasa me timi ho a
wonte
mente
wote asondem ho
me ti asore dem all right
nanso asam na eba no
me ye pastor ankasa me odifo nanso so the works of God are dead in me de hu no de yare so ogina ho
asa say ye nipa ye ho so na bisa ho se intimida so ye enwuma na na beja to
where are the works Awurade nyuma no a ode ye shaase ye no where are they na me jo
papa
say nyuma no ankare na wo domapa e ma wukunu odomapa ma wo yire odomapa ma wo ma ewei
papa eno krampo kane no na me sorry ko don broadcast ene ewei
okay
just made the baby for fraba she ye nanemu enti say nwuma no me de ato nchen oh se na me pa adwuma ye na me bom pa ye ka kire Awurade enti de me nya ye nti me ganya me de na to
hwe
na me ya me de no
hwe ne nipa kura nya adwuma o pa adwuma no esu a ode nya adwuma no onya adwuma ne wia ne nto aso ne su na sesa na ne kasa sesa time ode ba adwuma na sesa time ode ponso na sesa ube me afro secretary o hene me na ma aye working hours so aye tua ne ka o wo boss be fro no wonam dwom wo boss be fro no wonam ha wo boss be fro no wonam ha minister ya pa no so wonye wo mayi mu adwuma ye bebisa no no wonam ha ye bebisa no yeso wonam Togo ye bebisa no yeso wonam Afghanistan ye bebisa no yeso no wonam Kuwait ye Kuwait kura de okere where are the works Celestine waje Celestine da ko orona na nyom na etwagu ase no otodwom esa preach otodwom sa preach kasa Celestine danko kasa
wake up
call
alert pa
alert
nya me peso de mayen o kasa na Matthew 24 verse 12 and also by which was say and because lawlessness will abound the love of many was cold.
Matthew 24:12
Nania am it then 13 hono say but he who endures to the end shall be saved. He who endures to the end shall be saved. Then lawlessness will abound and the love of many will wax cold. O say mumuye bedosu nti.
Enumuyo bedosu nti. Wo mudu duora no dono ano bejo. Emumuyo bedosu nti. Wo mu wankasa ketu abi o. The majority emumuyo dosu a na yendo a ye wo ma Awurade no. Baby owuo no wono no ya kwa sorry all right ya kura Bible no all right ba ya do no adwo edo a ye di wura awadiem no adwo
odo no edi
yenyamedwuma no adwo say fun Ajo. What the songs will be a revival and crusader. Was crusade revivers ni nyina no eyen sorry emma wo ma ye backsliders cross or head and backslider ne buafu osofo no move to another church. It is saying I sorry way members na wo be kwa no ahia wo mo kwa no ahia we it aya say software or members and members bia na wo
from church to church.
And you're from one church, a recycling church members.
So for bet me aye adwuma so no ntwe okra ba
kompo.
Obi a we fi asori we mu asa ba be. Aha. Nti odono de bishop eno ana nyame pese one ye ka no. Odono anu ajo. Kanena as musicians ube release album ayekoda atwea ekoda edumfa ekoda agape for days ebompa yesugu nyame so enyumi epia bonti enye oja ayaresa na mumbra enso enne no social media unyanya anyom na de chi ya odi to social media tese emumoye na be ye normal bonene disorder ni mom abaye order enania ewose eye order no mom enumom aye weird.
Okay.
Ase sisi ano o asori kra na on worry na wo a normal before say obey wedding une obem onye mansa na sofu so
aye normal Obi worry 3 months and chenwa kan say meyira wo.
Aye normal. First na ehu ni fear ni trembling na o worry the way uhunu as a solemn marriage something na nyame ankasa day ni no. See how worry 2 weeks 1 month. Worry no penteme fim. Penteme jawari
what the kind of
because ehun nimu biom chesanya misro nankasa enimu bio enti eno ane se miremu mepie ye ni nyamisro the fear of the Lord is missing in our hearts enti odono de ano ado but ne me dewo Habakuk no verse 1 no or say na obompaye
yeah
empire na obo na se yenso ye be ye ni be ba ye ho so ne yakwenkukuem akwenkutodwe enim abompaye se Awurade Kenya ye bioma
Kenya me bio enka chi sao basa obetumi akonkutodwe enim se da bi se me ne me yire ntamanye wa wo hwe se pa enkomo ni ho so the nonsense in this world, the nonsense and the stupidity in homes now. Aye, ekunene yire omote down no obia ninkomo obia sifon so WhatsApp, Instagram, tangling, tesa and some phone kwa. Ayire ni kuno monkomo papa na ne man monkomo e create table hu didinanki ye nyina ye bonkomo na ye fa friend of from Fagene.
Be crowd was happy. Me kunu myself with Diana no or what's happening. On any
fear ho. What's happening? With Diana, are you ready? Yet to be me, I am Ponka Sabu and Commodia Twata. Say Radian Kenya. Say Radian Kenya Yanda. I am normal. You see, a Bema warrior, I was say, master on your side chick. A normal. I say, a baby cabra. And I said to baby, so baby, fear, send your ban, why general. Send your posso honor. Send your ban of posso if you honor. Send ya, why yen honor, why hey, I'll be carbon to me. And comedy and TV. TV any more TV series no eti what Bearman be feels if you nyade Bearman so sifia na nim sene ya waye na nim dua vrata
bajo me da se what you can be bia na ehu kese ba pa de se uhu se ade no awoye no enye because ade first nanka ababe no mama na wu na wo fa no so okay ade no okay
ade na wu
wo fa no normal so si yene ana de enema bi a chire ho kana na ye hunu afenam se ye ni atenti first ne de niam a chire ho do aba na wie bremu wo hwe se na wo kan hu se bebia na ha ye kanyamsem ye nyam dwuma ne ade wo tu se adoso but obi se ho se emu die pa na ye fi se ye nyam adwuma sa adwen dodo no a eta chire ni nyina no ye oye sebe ya obenya sika oye sa kuma no anafes no ewo hosese ni ebe nipa ebe sakra ba suma urade edi urade achi eni hosese se otum se amanfo kwa sore pa ba dodo no suso
na ye ni akura na ye program no program na dwene amede ye nyina budget ya ma ya to so no target
se bia first pa no enema bia na ese gidie foforo e ba ye wo nyamesem se wo nko kan ye kra no a ete se wo hu ekikaw wo sorry so mameka wo ye dom broadcast wo nko kenya miasem wo ko bom paye wo sua nyamiasem ede ya wo hu ekikaw but say ya baba ye normal how ye normal ja phone okay me kwa making kai ma phone no na ja wo so kakra pe no fa de sa and no is enough
and for bible grand
oh and traffic ma be mo abi
and the bible
the bible no bo na nia oh Mr. Papa Tobi why o se me fresta come on na buy me nya ka sika kran sanko Mr. Tobi why nti de ebisa da wa nya bi no se frena na man ka sika no nko sakomo no e ko bo 5 o'clock what does you na traffic mo wala pass
5 o'clock 1 o'clock 1:30 ahomache dan wa ye ibe ya Adom praise ye koye se toto niema ahomache 1:30 na nkrofo gira traffic mu a wo mo ton niema ye nto ye du gina no se pacho ye nto bi besika mpa kofie bi pesika dia faka kofie menya bi. It is a what air condition come no road sa. Now say Ghana oh bibia yes sir and yes I at you. Yes, revive the works. In the midst of the years. Amen. In the midst of the and fear be a tramasenia and can near Matino. It is sanity and I didn't think Ghana for the be a deadline so I call Dubai. I didn't think you call Kuwait. I didn't think you call embassies a hodwo. Already in Yamia or Maya. Already in Yame, the audio Gugu Yamema. Show the citizens young costa lie or embassies. No ma reject your visa, no ma san for sika. No ma reject your visa, no ma san for sika. No ma reject and don't you see, say, the Yamia ye and Kaya Maymono and Quebecas yen to Campo.
Bishop, I thought that's why a nearma ye dinner pulpit so can say and lay in Yamishra. And now ye can Yamishra a car. Ye can Yamishra a dying. Ain't oti bonim but watoka. Inti to no nyamiesra no. Oti bonimu enso to kwan. Inti to no nyamiesra no.
Okay.
Oh, the interpretation of the blessing of God.
Okay.
Your wealth, your spiritual wealth. Hunya wo no. Inti spiritually no, you're very very poor.
Okay. Okay.
And physically, no.
Hit it well.
Yeah, what dying?
Aye.
Yeah, nyamani bi.
What the next will be called Jumakurano within 6 months. 6 months. So na ketu ya kura say, but within 6 months, no atwas as no sidai. Now bisana uho say, eye de na asumesi ana wa benten. Bosumi nsia pe wa ye adwuma wo kuro due mo onje dollar, onje pound, onje euro. Nanso so ye den na sumasi wetimi atasa e use 4x4 ne certificate okura ye me die bio
na ye de kire social media ade ya ha me no na ye dey tread sometimes yen ni pe bia ya public figures anya me ehwe yesen kenya example no say ye portray the blessing of God ye de ka na kire ye de dan na kire ufia wesi ka ukuna to ama na ana say bibi something na ye de kire enti obiti tokrom baby na ebia spiritually no or you very rich.
Yeah, spiritually or you rich. Now so physically no.
Physically no.
To me, economically no.
That is what doing when we say let's say nyame Israel.
Wa makaya kurabia zamsa wa pass pa wa krana pass when 8 ones. 8 ones oh. Akran sending results 8 ones so baby ya sending no ya de ne kono and wo hwe na down for being so no enya kura sa no and akran bi say Ghana there is no fair akran soon also there is no fairness my you know what there manya 5 pass 8 ones akran no we hunu Ghana education said there is no fairness at this age.
Yes,
at this age,
Obenyini
no. Aha.
No, this has seed way.
For the side aduaba way na ebe nantiu. There is no fairness in education. Many akurana kase free nansane ne. When ne kase also there be me menya 8 ones. Assume say nya say sukua me first choice yamfanko, be second choice yamfanko. Are they fair to me?
So for osikeni baby so benya greatest so benya school papa.
Ejabusion ye misa se sa kani nyuma no se ne nanki atoto niema no
sa na eko ana
sa na eko
niema be normal ofana
sa na eko edie ne ye edie sa ne ye twitwa to hoi dia ye eba ma Ghana mrantie ne mabawa ehin wo mo kro. Where are they heading towards to? Politicians say ba obia be ba be ye di open no abaye ya no asay no bebre aka ho anaso wo ye ne. Are they making this nation better? Odono wa hinifa. Where is that love? Where is that commitment? Where is that dedication? So listen.
Obi adwuma kra wafa obi de natran ho no na wafa ekwan bi so gu adwuma no wagu adwuma no hu kwan kra wo fa so de bi adwuma no na wadwene wadwuma no ho wo de ena kakra pese oyeye enti no
enoma na e mo dona no
ebi no wo de ye adwuma ono no ho esen wo a wo de ne beta na
bi shop mo obi na tu kwan kobra
baba na ogu no
na hwe so ba beto shop na
Be sorry. Never junior pastor too. No, this will be a chain. Will be a fellowship one chain. Dear now, what ye? Dear now, pay.
Obenya sorry, penny for be a moment.
I'll imagine ye. Well, I'm imagining you. No, all my years, son, so cry and renting, papa.
Who preach you? Who away?
I will preach in their way better than our archbishop. What not? Or to make it to our water tenno. But at your be so, Habakkuk say, Radicanya Wunyuma. And where are the young people? Almost show Biasiamo Biatete Wong. Ebinio.
Omo Quancrom better too.
Woman won't come better. One more better too. Kanya Wunyuma Radi.
And this Kanya Wunyuma post on social media.
Yeah.
Young pastor say we have 20 years or to me pick your bit to say Dr. Otabel or man upon July.
Aye.
Or to me pick you be a legend or be a winner experience.
Why you must some woman raising great leaders.
Now to me picking of my punchlines. Say Ukra Otabel Kraman Hokoya Obetreno. We training no.
It's who say more
than Erade Kanya Wunyuma Oh yes, Nantin and say a Dambi Abobi as a Bible on a crown and Sunday on a train no me mistake. Who born you by mistake? Who born you? Who dare you to talk like that?
Mercy.
It's Habakkuk say Erade Kanya wo Wonyoma no ewoye mmono awrade kanya ho ene bisa okuno ene bisa yire ene bisa papa enyuma na wo fie ho no na where are they ahemfo wo krom ahemfo wo tie me nana Ansah sina ne wo ho no abato ye no ewo hefa praying grounds na ne wo ho no oh my god oh praying grounds nyina mato adi akohwisem ahemfo bi ye park so ankan kwada bebo football moto adi roads na yana me be say town and planning for e wo krodue mo where are they town and planning as a kuruma you need set organizations wa town and planning for where are they town and planning
ya ba ku hunu apo bibi e de ama no ya sa di pa no so kura so kan ne wonim se sa de we enye ene ya ba normal waje o ma kwan se ba bi ho ye kwan no ye si da
transa wotena adwuma e wonya fi asime be wasi fi otoka wotena dada ye chenchen na obedi eti na dwen be sesa amono so otu anamo ne bi
the disorder no moma e normal
asesa
ye de ya pon ene ye okuada ye de ya pon but bisa ho se nyuma awrade sha se wo fie wabusua mo maame wo papa wa sorry potamu a wotie no community labor where are those words nanko obi ba mama jo what's it a fin what's your aban na prapra aban na prapra wo fie where are the works yete kurase yete kurase ni ye nkura yete kurase mpo no na ase ye nim nyansa kyen ye ba kurum ni yete kurase ase ni ye nim nyansa kyen ye ba kurum yenko university na ase ye sa serving for ni ye nim nyansa. And now we have doctors, lawyers, PhD. What about PhD? Me, I want to mura edegua bonting. Who dared you? She left and right. No, at work. We a journalist. We a doctor. We a degree holder. A radical now. When you man can now. You come here, you come here, Jessica. As a kumna by your normal.
Na papa, atebo na sha se onyame fie. Nti e basa nyame fie de na meka. Nipa no kra ye kum no wa sorry dem altar nanim. Edudu e bompa ye se ni kunu. Edudu e bompa ye se miri kra. Ona me ho. O kuna tamfo bonaba e boni tuo.
Awusia ya do si Adom salase bompa e mai ne yempon. Bompa e mai.
Adom fo ni mo bro.
Bompa e mai.
Onyame a wo mo bro hunu doso. Wa yem ye doso. Ena anape unya yen kampo ya kraboto ezanze odonano adwo papa adwo boyen erade boyen ankrakra etie ye bia na pe erade boyen awo meni aba mo ho so se odonano adwo
boyen papa
na erade yen kra priwo ye mu se nke be san afa tete kwaina
ya kwantempono
eja boye papa Kenya ye bio na kefi enne edikwe na asemia makwa
amakeke
memo eba be sa ye yare eba be bie ye ni
yes lord
eba be ma ye ni ba ye ho so
yes lord
senke be san akoka ne dona
adamasha
ye sia wo na ye wo no
ya kora bahata
Kenya ye bio
ye gere ni
ene de ye sorry epia ko enyuma so no man Kenya na ensase odomapa ensi Jesus we ni betimi asre wa na pay ye ni hwe esre se Kenya ye ewo Jesus name amen
Yapon so let's see what program no say baso o chana baba me aka wan say na ana jina wa guy with the soldier about
your point is yeah Celestine and Casano or a living testimony for what Nyamia me ba me free me cross ba radio go 2002 now ordin you be by through Freddie my me share sister and say hey where you go Freddie the one with you but what I saw in her humility Anna a pepane so person the sum Nyame in her own small way nti enya me wan so be call higher than what we are seeing nti me de nti am be join kra ne say e maami bi wo ha kan say ya to bibia jeje mu nti a reflection of omaya ya be pim na de sese nyina ni wu ni say it true yes free e ho Christopher no yes say yen kwatwa kra but ye kan say bi wo ha no pay just recycling that's the word used
yes recycling
yen such a nipa bia o resurrection power for the apostolic empowerment now apostolic empowerment for to go from resurrection power and ye try e ho recycling it's nipa asese e koka sempa
recycling ya
kasi e ho na confusion so we cannot move into that recycle so that's the problem
recycling recycling abusia anti odia wakoya sorry panyin baby me wa na your member wa ha ya recycle sa is a elder yo ya basa kasa ose 20 say
Papa, Celestial praise go be ntimi anka ho ase.
E better no aka. Da bi e say ye ka nyuma. Ya wild.
29th September, Nyame Adom Victory Bible Church.
Ma hu ni nyina.
Me pese me the short code no Emma time unti. Short code. O de o phone network bia Owusu bia na obo *174 *5 *7 hash. Unya boy
san kan ho fro
*174 *5 *7 hash
wo be kan so ya choto be kan was mama choto meka ma